Welcome back to Crypto News. I am your host Jordan. Nothing in this video is financial advice because I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research and due diligence. We are ready to deliver to you the latest in the altcoin market, which is the juicy alpha you guys came for every single day here on this channel. And today, guys, looking in, we have Bitcoin still holding stronger over 90k. It is currently at 91.4k right now here, as you can see on this chart. So rallying up to here and holding along this level. Let's hope it manages to hold up. And if we filter the altcoins by 24 hours, we can see that the top performers in this last 24 hours in the top 100 coins by market cap on coin market cap is Quant, pumping 10% basically, 9.3% up today, and MYX Finance is up 11%, guys. Pump.fun is also having an 8% up day today, 8% in one day. I mean, this is not small. This is a good little bounce. Bitcoin Cash 6%, SPX 6900 5%, and we got Telcoin, guys. We did discuss Telcoin the other day. It continues to pump up another 5% today, guys. So this was performing really well recently as well. We have Canton as a privacy coin, a privacy altcoin that we showed to you, and we did a whole video on Canton. If you don't know what Canton is yet and you're behind, then just go and catch up on our videos about Canton. We also have Say and Sui making some kind of a very small bid here as well. So what are we going to see next in the altcoin market? Of course, we're going to go over it, and we're going to have a DeFi catch up. If you want to trade crypto, you can check out Crypto Futures Trading Platform with 1000x leverage and no KYC, guys. You can cash out anytime and you can trade any coins. And if you want to download an anonymous crypto wallet, we have Best Wallet, which is a no KYC Bitcoin and crypto non-custodial wallet audited by Certic, the best security in crypto. You can download this mobile wallet app on your Google Play Store or Apple App Store on your mobile phone. Globally, anyone, anywhere can access this wallet. So it's a multi-chain, non-custodial crypto wallet. So there you go. Check out the Best Wallet ecosystem. And as for, the charts, Bitcoin is looking, Bitcoin is basically, if this breaks above 93k, that is as high as we got since the end of this bounce. Remember, we had the bounce down to 80k. The Bitcoin is close to that now. We're only at 91.5. We're close to 93, which is what we got to. If we break over here, guys, then this rally is actually going to continue going upwards. So if this breaks this level here, then if it goes up and above this, we'll be going upwards from here. The level is this. You can see it's also a horizontal. There we go. Well, let's put the horizontal line there. And it's also a horizontal. It's not only here, that 93 level, but it's also here and all the way, back over here. So this is where the horizontal line goes to, where we hit it and then hit it again. So we've been using this line now actually as resistance. When we hit 93k, what we hit was resistance previously when we hit it here. So now we need to break above that resistance to flip that and turn that into support. If we break above this line, along here, then what you're going to find is you're going to find that we are going to be able to turn this level into support. Let's say we break above it, then we come back down, retest and use it as support, and then bounce back up to be able to go higher. That is roughly the idea, and that would signal a bullish change in momentum, and that will allow all these altcoins to start performing and actually moving. So we've got lots of sectors. We've got the juicy AI sector. We do have the privacy sector. These are probably the top two sectors in crypto right now. The meme coins are pretty dead, but they could come back to life at any moment. As soon as Bitcoin flips bullish, we will see that, guys. But if we go to the privacy coins, and of course we filter by 24 hours, we can see we have Ycash here. What is Ycash? I actually have never heard of that one before. Sounds very similar to Zcash. Another one that sounds similar to Zcash is Ycash down here. I've been seeing this one in the charts recently a lot, guys. Mind Network, Super Zero Protocol, and a few others. See, none of these are really pumping that much except from Canton, right? Except from Canton, which is the one that we showed you early. Ycash and Ycash are ones we're going to have to check out because they're up 15 and 18% respectively. So Ycash, according to CoinMarketCap over here, I mean, that chart looks pretty interesting. It goes back all the way back to there. So it basically seems, it had a massive pump and now it's coming down. So it could have been a pump and dump, this one. Plus, you can't really trade it on many exchanges. It does say here, though, that Ycash did launch in July 2019. Guys, and it is a chain fork of Zcash, right? A fork of Zcash focused on proof of work mining via commodity hardware and approximating the fair distribution economics of Bitcoin. So that's pretty interesting. And beginning in November 2024, 100% of all newly issued coins are distributed to miners. 100% of all issued coins are distributed to miners via the free market mining process. So I think I know what this means. You see, Zcash actually distributes, I think it's 20% of their mining, because Zcash has mining just like Bitcoin, proof of work system, which gives mining rewards to the people who do the mining, who create the coins into existence. But on Zcash, they give 20% of that to the developer fund. So it goes towards development developers to help improve the Zcash protocol, which is why Zcash isn't fully decentralized yet. Yeah, it did become decentralized, but it's not fully, it hasn't fully protected all of its points of failure, because it has the point of failure of having a team and centralized team, right, who continue to upgrade the protocol and suggest changes for the protocol, basically. Whereas this one, it seems like they're distributing 100% of that newly issued coins to miners. So that's pretty interesting. Keep an eye on that one. Ycash. I'll be doing some more research into that one also. Then, guys, we do have Epicash. Now, what is this? So is this another Zcash fork here? Let's go down here. So it launched on the 9th of the 2nd, 2019 by a decentralized worldwide community. Epic Private Internet Cash seeks to deliver on Satoshi's original vision of true peer-to-peer electronic cash. Mimblewimble provides privacy for all transactions, and this makes the currency fungible. The blockchain is space efficient, discarding historical transaction data in a process known as cut-through. The project began without an ICO or pre-mine and is developed on an ongoing basis by volunteers. Okay, so another privacy coin. Epic Cash, interesting, that one. It is also not available on that many markets, just only a few exchanges down here, as we can see. So the liquidity for this one must be also pretty thin. Again, this has a low market cap of just only $6 million US dollars. So we can see it did have its bull run all the way in December 2021 altcoin season, and then all the way down to now it's been going down. So could this be a breakout? It did get higher than any of these points in 2024. So we'll see what happens next for Epic Cash. We're going to delve into some more juicy altcoins in the upcoming video. But if you guys love altcoin alpha and deep dives just like this, covering the latest, newest opportunities and the movers that are happening in the altcoin market, then subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notifications, because we deliver news like that and DeFi deep dives on this channel, guys, for you here every single day.